How to get flight simulator in Google Earth. To access the flight simulator in Google Earth, follow these steps. First of all, download Google Earth Pro. Go to the official Google Earth download page and download Google Earth Pro for free. Then open Flight Simulator. After installing a Google Earth Pro, launch the program. Go to the Tools menu in the toolbar and select Enter Flight Simulator. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-Alt-A on Windows or Command-Option-A on Mac to open the flight simulator directly. After that, choose your plane. You will be prompted to choose between two planes, F-16J SR-22 propeller plane. After selecting your plane, choose an airport to start your flight from, then click Start Flight. Finally, start flying. To take off, press the page up key to start taxiing along the runway. Use the arrow keys to steer the plane or connect a joystick for better control. Keep flying and explore the world from the skies. This simple built-in flight simulator lets you practice flying and explore landmarks from a pilot's perspective.